guys, welcome back to SpeedCube Ninja. Today I'm going to show you how to disassemble and reassemble a GAN cube. Before we start, please consider subscribing to my channel as this motivates me to make future content. For this, I'll be using my GAN 356 RS. So we put a fingernail on a centerpiece like this one and just pull it out. Then we have to turn the top layer by 45 degrees clockwise or anti-clockwise and just pull out an edge piece by using your fingers. So now we have created a small gap. Now the cube can be completely disassembled. So now I'm just going to separate these corners from the edge pieces. So let's start the assembly process. So I like to match the colors while assembling, so it will be solved once we are done. Hey, time lapse. Satisfying. So we just take out each and every edge piece and corner piece from all sides. So now we'll be left with the core. So while disassembling, I popped out two centerpieces too. It's not a problem. So now we got the centerpieces. So now I'm done with the disassembling process. So now we have to just take the core and take any edge piece. So I like starting with white so that I can go in an organized manner and not miss anything. So here I have the white and green edge piece. So we keep it between white and green. So it goes into this slot here. So you just keep it like that, yeah. So it might be a bit loose. So if it's very loose, you can just open this and adjust the screws. Or if you can handle it, just hold it very well and make sure not to hit it. So next we have the white and red edge piece. So wait, this popped out. So hold that, and now we put the white and red edge piece into place. So now we have done two edge pieces. So now we take the white and orange edge piece. And yes, so we have three edge pieces in. And white and blue. This might be a bit tricky, but so now you got the cross. So now you just make crosses on all sides of the cube. Thank you, Joy Baba. Shout out to Joy Baba, my man.
I'm trying to concentrate and do.
I might put a video as such. So now I finished putting the white edge pieces in. And I just started with two yellow edge pieces. So now let's put in the third one. So just maintain the same orientation. So now yellow and green. Just put it in, and the centerpiece popped off, so let's just put it in. And now the last yellow edge piece, which is yellow and orange, and just insert that in. So when I was inserting that, the white edge piece popped off, which can be irritating, but make sure that you fix everything before proceeding to the next step. Yes, so now I finished 2 colors. Now let's just start with the orange center. So I have the orange and green edge piece, so I put it right here. The orange and blue. Right here. So, and as you can see, the orientation is very bad, so let's just fix that. So now we have finished the orange, the yellow and the white. So let's start with the green next because it's the easiest. Green and red goes in right here. So, and our last edge piece, red and blue. Yes, so now we have finished the edges and onto the corners. So now let's get onto the corners. So let's start with the white corners first. So this is a white, orange and green corner. So it comes here between white centerpiece, orange and green centerpieces. This might be a bit hard, so just insert it into the slot. It might be a bit loose, but just make sure it's still intact in its place. So next, the white, red and green. So that goes here in between white, red and green centerpieces. So just insert there. Next, the white, blue and orange corner piece, which goes right here. And the last white corner piece, white, blue and orange, red. And yes, so we have finished the white face completely. So now we just put these last 4 corners and we're done. So yellow, blue and orange, so it goes here. Yellow, blue, red and blue, so that goes here. The last 3 corner pieces can be pretty hard, especially the last corner piece. Okay, and yellow, green and orange, so it goes in here. Okay, so again my green centerpiece is popped out. There's some problem with it. Yes. So the yellow, green and orange. Okay, that's done. And the yellow, green and red, the final corner piece. So this might be hard, so what you need to do is just make the gap a bit bigger using your hands. Or if there's somebody else around you, you can just ask them to hold it. And now we are done. So we have just assembled the cube back after disassembly. Thank you for watching this video, and please subscribe down below and like this video. If you want to watch more cubing content, I will link some playlists here. But don't forget to join my Discord server and answer the Google forms in the description below.